Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix sheet tabs not showing in Microsoft Excel. So as we can see in this left bottom corner, we are not able to see this sheet tab. So to fix this problem, you need to change one setting. Click on File, then Options, and here click on Advanced. Scroll down and underneath this display options for this worksheet, display option for this workbook, check this box, show sheet tabs, then click on OK. So as we can see, we are able to see this sheet tab here. So thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.